Guys, welcome back to our channel. And today,
a Roblox video in a really long time, so we decided to do one today. We've done vlogs, and I've been editing a video, which is going to come out approximately today or tomorrow.
and hopefully you've liked our Big Doggy song. We've been working on it for a super duper long time. And we've been telling you we've done some doing the Big Doggy song.
It's all for fun.
It was all for fun. Hope you liked it. And a bit of those clips, the one outside we done last year.
Yeah.
That's when we were actually planning how to do it and stuff.
Yeah, and then this year it's just out. We've
This
worked
year
from
out.
last year, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. So for 10 months.
10 months working on one particular song.
So now we're gonna play this game. So we're
going to be a passenger for this one.
But I need to change here so we can get our tickets quickly.
Bear's gonna change. Bear, which one are you going to?
You choose.
I'm gonna press let's play.
I want to go to Alqua thing, whatever.
I'm gonna pick the one at 9:45.
I've never been there on the game.
Book.
All right,
And then
you're
booked. And then I'm gonna go to Beryl. Just give me mine.
All right, I'm gonna give it.
Just
find your name. There's I Cherry. I know. All right, there's your ticket.
Thank you.
9:45, right?
It's 9:45.
All right, this second. All right.
Guys, by the way, I forgot that something names are out. There's two of the same
Display
names.
names.
Yeah, display names.
There's two I Cherries.
Yes. No.
There's Lena.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing
This
those.
person name's Lena. Yes, there's.
I'm just going to do one more of those. Why not? I'm really bored. And now we're actually gonna go into the real one. Beryl, let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna check. Someone named Lena and they do have a different username. Alright, let's go. We need to change back into a passenger.
Oh yeah, I am a passenger.
Okay.
We're just on top of our heads.
After this flight, I might go to a check-in again.
Yeah, because we're going to be showing you all of the other roles in this video. So you guys will get, I will tell you the name at the end of the video, so stay tuned.
Yeah, so if you like, and I do actually have a bit of a sad video coming out, and I've been editing it. That's the video which I've been editing.
Oh.
It's not really a sad video, but it's something I've wanted to talk about.
Yeah, I know it is, but I'm just going to keep it to myself because
I don't actually know if you know what it is.
I'm going to put the video. It is.
So Briella is trying to find out. It's not anything about that, Briella. Stop trying to find out, Duncan.
It's
and
8:15. What is that?
it's
8:30.
wait, ours is at 9:45.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open the gates. Although,
You can only open the gates when there's people, when the plane's there.
is anyone a captain?
I think there's no captain. Guys, so after this video, they'll probably take a while to upload.
Yeah.
Because our videos take a while, and it's pretty sad, but at least they upload for you guys to watch. That's all we really care about, that they upload. And sorry about Big Doggy song at the end, it goes all black, because Bear forgot to cut it out.
I forgot to cut something out, but you know, once it reaches black.
Just once it reaches black.
I kind of hate the Big Doggy song now I think about it.
Ew!
Ew! Take this thing off! It seems like there's no captain. So we're gonna have to. So I'm gonna be like.
moving.
I'm just gonna. No, it's just gonna be a text check-in today.
Guys, so we're not actually gonna.
There's literally a plane moving over there.
It's moving.
This one?
My plane was moving.
Your plane?
Yeah. It's moving.
Brielle, are you in the wrong plane?
What? In the wrong plane? How come it's moving?
It's not moving. You're in
Mine's
the wrong
moving.
plane. You're in the
moving. It's moving.
You're in the wrong place.
It's moving.
You're in the wrong place.
You didn't show me the way, did you? No. Oh, yeah, at least I can go now. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh my gosh, Brianna.
What?
I'm just being checking now. Brianna, you went on the wrong plane. I told you. I went to A4.
I didn't see you go to A4.
I thought we were on the same plane.
Same.
I thought you were following me.
I don't know. I didn't see you.
I didn't see you.
Guys, so we are going to show you all the ones which are for free on here because
So
we don't
I'm
want
going
to
to
buy
be first a check-in,
Checking agent.
obviously.
We're going to show you how the job works.
Hi. I'm just going to put hi.
Don't mind that. I'm just drinking some hot cocoa.
You're not drinking that, Briella. Will you stop lying to your fans?
Oh, yeah.
By the way, Briella is actually lying to you guys. She is not drinking hot chocolate.
Oh, yes. Let me in this. So these are the people want a ticket. They don't have to be here. Check-in chat, they said they already have their thing.
Check it. Yeah, I don't know why.
It all said they already have it and then here. So I'm going to have to wait till those people come here and ask for them.
So let's just wait. We're going to wait for someone to, book.
Because it's not like everyone already had their ticket. They're on a plane.
No? Let's get away.
It literally says everyone has their own flight. Check in chat. So I got a luggage, someone's luggage. It'll say their user. So you click on this blue thing, and then you put it on this pusher thingy, bob, and then it'll go through. Then they'll automatically get their ticket. I'll do that again if I see someone that doesn't have that ticket. Everyone has a ticket. So I've already showed them this job. You can do the next one. So I do face cam. Okay. Everyone literally has that ticket. So we just are we gonna go next job? I'm gonna go next job. I'll just stay here. I think people are coming. What's that? Well, I'm getting a passenger. That's, I don't know.
Mine was not there. Mine is probably top of my bed.
What's the user?
That's Briella's.
Briella.
Mine is here. That's Briella's.
Just wait a minute. I got a passenger. I need to check on barrels.
Can you take that, what I've said?
Hey, that person has Discord name. How am I meant to know their user? Has Discord name.
It's not Discord.
Discord.
Take the banana skin.
It's
Briella.
Matchy Machine Guy. Yeah. My leg stuck. But I can't find your ticket. You need to book it. Guys, I'm just gonna do something quick. Guys, so she's showing you how to have to open the thing. I think it's gate 3. I think it's gate 3. Guys, so that's how that job works.
Yep. So now we need to go on to
The next job, which is customer service.
Now, I've never done customer service.
I don't know what it
It's
is.
basically like helping people. So we're going to go into gate agent. As gate agent is actually where you open the gates for the planes.
For the planes.
Close them because you know the gates need to open or else you won't be able to enter in the plane.
So I'm just going to open this gate because there's a plane there.
We're just going to open this gate because
I'm only opening the gates with planes because you don't want people walking into air. There's another.
Really, you can't go in.
Yeah, I know. I'm just going here. There's a plane here nearby.
I'm going to check the plane to see if everyone is seated.
They locked you in.
Sorry, I'm a gate agent.
Guys, so we're going to continue doing this on properly because there is a keep that gate open. There is a plane not here, so that gate should be closed. And there, that gate is still open, so that. And there's a plane there, so it's still fine. If the plane starts moving, you have to close the gate because you don't want people running into air. Oh, this plane thing, the door's still open, and I'm just checking if there's people in this plane. There are. This plane's.
Alright, that plane's moving now.
Which plane?
A3.
I'm in A1. Just checking.
Alright, I'm gonna go in A1.
There's no pilot, and there's no one in there.
On the A3, there's no pilot and it's moving.
Let's just close A1. There's no one in there.
I'm gonna go in A1.
Why? I locked you.
There's nobody in A1.
That's why I closed the gates. I got commitment issues and I'm gonna fix that. But we need to open the gate for a gate.
Can you get all the
3.
toys under the bed?
Yeah, those are hers.
They're not toys. My foot.
Get the toys under the bed.
They aren't toys.
Everything under the bed.
There is hidden white. There's hidden wipes.
Yeah, they need to open. You need to try and get in. I think you're logged in. Oh, I'm on a plane and it's going.
Oh, you have to be the flight attendant.
Sorry. I'm in a plane.
Oh.
You need to find a new plane.
Why are you going in a plane?
I'm bored.
Gonna
Fine, I'll
individually.
find a new plane.
Why are you going in a plane?
Because I wanted to. Alright, that's one job. Now we have... Oh gosh, I'm bored again. Now we have the coffee... So we have a flight attendant.
And the ground crew.
But I'm going to change that and I'm going to be a cafe barista.
I'm gonna be
And the cafe barista is where you like the cafe.
You lead a cafe.
Yeah, like you
serve people for the cafe.
Yeah, exactly.
And that girl couldn't explain it.
Huh?
Guys, by the way, I don't accept random people's friend requests.
That's why I don't add.
We don't. So if you send us a friend request and I don't know you, I can't friend you.
Yeah.
You can follow me. No.
So I'm gonna order something. We can give an example. So actually, I'm gonna serve
Someone wants a chocolate donut.
Sorry. So chocolate donut. I don't know.
I already got a chocolate donut and they don't know where that person is. Do you? But you order something. I'll give you an example.
Alright, I've ordered something.
What do you order?
I'm gonna order can I have a blueberry donut with coffee, please?
What's your order? There it is. What did I click? It went. Your order went.
I have it now.
Literally. Oh! If I press serve, it goes to you. So some people might be on the plane as well.
Yeah.
I'm serving. They're saying open the gate too. At least the donut's mine now.
I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna be nice to people and I'm gonna open the gate. Gate 8-2, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
8-2.
I'm gonna open it because that girl's a really bad person at the gates. So I'm gonna open it.
I opened it.
Oh! I'm gonna go in. Let's go in, Drew.
But guys, so we're gonna go on the plane. This video's is really long, and then afterwards we're gonna record another
How
video.
long is it?
21 minutes.
20!
1.
Whoa. I don't know it was that long.
I
I like sitting at the back for some reason.
Yeah, there's already a boy sitting at my favourite spot.
Oh, yes. The window. Oh, it's moving!
Gee, that was quick.
Finally, we have a plane while we're moving. I think we're going to Japan.
Yeah, no, not. That's not the other one is the Japan.
Oh, where are we going?
That no.
I think we're going to the
I think we're going to Poland.
Poland?
Yeah,
Maybe.
I think we're going to Poland.
Lucky you opened the gate, huh?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people. This plane will be going with no one
I'm
in
going
it.
to pretend to be a flight attendant so I can not get kicked out.
I'm gonna get kicked out of the plane.
Alright, sit down tight, do not move, okay?
Okay.
No moving.
I trust. Wait, why are we not in the same spot?
You didn't sit next to me.
Can't move now.
I was sitting right next to you. You didn't want to sit. I was sitting behind you. I thought you wanted to sit next to me.
Sorry. Oh, well.
So now I'm sitting right
I
behind
mean,
you.
the windows.
At least we got the windows.
Yeah, that's the thing I wanted. Because I can see.
Because when I'm off the window, I can't see.
I don't have sound.
Your volume's low. You're gonna see how this game's very realistic. Look,
Yeah. Whoa.
flight to Hastad.
Oh, I don't have to.
So as you see, we're in the sky. I told you this is actually realistic. You actually have to go in the sky, or you're gonna stay on the ground.
Yeah.
She's drinking her hot chocolate. Oh, it looks like you burned your tongue. Yeah, you burned her tongue. Oh, Bash joined us.
Her mum's done her hair. About to join.
I got Miles now. Hey, Bash. If you feel so dead, it's the way
Right.
Oh, I feel so dead.
Yes, we're here. There we are. Hastad. When you go to Hastad, it takes really quick. Guys, so that's the whole plane ride. That's all we're gonna show you today.
Whoa, this is literally the place.
This is Hastad.
So hope you enjoyed the video.
Please like, subscribe, and turn notifications on. So you can provide every time we upload a new video. Bye, guys.